I'm Sabrina from Inglés con Kilian, and welcome to my 1-minute videos to teach you some expressions that native speakers use every day in English. Let's go. What's up? What are you up to? And any word from. I'm going to quickly explain these 3 expressions. What's up we can use for how are you in a very colloquial street way, or we can use for what's wrong? What happened to you? Okay, so what's up? You look down, or what's up? You look sad. Okay? What are you up to means what are you doing? So what are you up to? And it's often referring to, are you being secretive? What are you up to? Or what did you get up to at the weekend? So this is get up to. Or what are you getting up to next weekend? Or what are you up to next weekend is okay as well. And the answer would be, I'm not up to anything if it's negative, or I'm not doing anything, or I'm going kayaking, or I went to the moon, or whatever, okay? So if it's a positive answer, you do not say I am up to, you say what you're doing, okay? Next one, any word from. This means, have you heard from someone or something? For example, any word back from your interview. Have you heard news about your interview? Or any word from your mum. I haven't heard from her in a while. Okay, so do you have news of somebody? If you enjoyed that, please hit the subscribe button and you will receive notifications of future videos from us. And also, if you would like your own free ebook, very practical step-by-step instructions on how to improve your English by yourself, click the link below and it will bring you straight there. Good luck with your English. See you soon.